Hi, kids! Adding 1 today is what we'll do. 1 more makes the number new. I have 0 balls to throw. Nothing there, no balls, oh no! Add 1 ball, what do we see? 0 plus 1 is 1. I have 1 little drum I can play. Add 1 more, boom boom, hooray! Count them together, it's really fun. 1, 2, 1 plus 1 is 2. I see 2 fish swimming by. Add 1 more, now count them, try. 1, 2, 3, swimming free. 2 plus 1 is 3. I see 3 green frogs hopping free. Add 1 more, what will it be? Let's count together, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 plus 1 is 4. I see 4 red kites fly so high. Add 1 more up in the sky. Count them all, nice and loud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 little shells on the shore. Add 1 more, now count some more. 6 shells sparkle in the sun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. I see 6 stars shining bright. Add 1 more, twinkling light. Let's count together, let's get this done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 plus 1 is 7. I have 7 crayons in a row. Add 1 more, watch it grow. Count them all, just for fun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 plus 1 is 8. I see 8 bees buzzing by me. Look, 1 more, let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8 plus 1 is 9. I have 9 balloons floating high. Add 1 more, watch the sky. Count them all up to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 9 plus 1 is 10. We've added 1 more and what do we see? Numbers grow so easily. From 0 up to 10, that's what we've done. Great job adding 1.